Hey friends, it's Kevia. Thanks for coming back for another video, or welcome if this is your first time here. In today's video, you all will see part 2 and the final part of the pantry reveal. So previously, you guys saw me take everything out of the pantry. We painted, we put wallpaper up, we also stained our shelves and had some contractors install the shelves for us. So today you all will see the final reveal. Stay tuned.
She's putting all of her cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that you'll be able to win this one.
Alright you all, this is where we left off with the pantry reveal. You see the guys are installing the shelves. We were going to do this ourselves, but we just didn't have the time. So since they were already doing a job in the house for us, I just asked them if they can go ahead and put these in as well, and they were happy to do so. They did install the door along with putting the hardware on the door, and this is how everything turned out. I am so happy. My husband did install the Billy bookcases that I put together. He made sure he secured those to the wall because I will be putting a lot of glass items on those, so I want to make sure they are nice and secure so nothing tips over when we do put everything in there. But now I'm just going to put this cube shelf together that I purchased from Walmart. I just wanted a little more storage space in there, so just keep on watching. I decided to add the cube shelf for additional storage space. I do have some bulky items in my cabinets that I would like to get out of there and put on this shelf. Plus, when we do have those extra drinks, we can store those on this shelf as well. So I ordered these from Target, and I find that acrylic storage works better in the kitchen for me, so I can see exactly what's in there and things won't go bad. I've had so many different containers over the years, and I think the clear ones work better for me in the kitchen. I found these on Amazon. They are stackable drawers. I absolutely love these, and I wanted a label maker that I can operate from my phone. I really do love this one. I'll try to link everything I can down in the description box below. These are the items I do not recommend in the kitchen because you are limited on the items that you can put in here. Okay, so although we are using acrylic storage, I have a ton of these labels that I wanted to make use of. So I decided to go ahead and put these on some of the items that I know that we buy the same of all the time. And it makes things a lot easier for my son to find. And sometimes he also helps me put groceries away. So it's a lot of items that we buy all the time that I am putting labels on. So I know we'll always have those things, but some things we do switch out. The label maker that I purchased from Amazon, I absolutely love this one. It's so easy to use. I didn't really play around with it to make different labels, so I kept it a little simple, but you can change up the design a lot. I also wish I would have went and made the labels bigger, but I had already used so many, I didn't want to waste the paper, so I just kept them the size that they were. But I definitely could have made these a little bigger. Okay, you guys, this is how the pantry looked before. We had the standard build-a-grade pantry with the horrible wire shelves that I absolutely hate. And you see, I had so many containers side by side. This is why I really love the stackable items, because you can really maximize your vertical space. The containers that you see with the blue tops, I did send those to my mom. I've been having those for so long. I've been through so many different containers, and as I mentioned, I find the acrylic containers work so much better for me, but I am so excited with the way that things turned out. So let's get into the final reveal. You guys, I'm so happy that my vision came to life. I really love the way that the pantry turned out. I was able to get everything in here that I wanted plus more. And the items that I put at the top, these are items that I don't use daily, mostly holiday items. I wanted all of the glass containers that I purchased from Amazon stored on the Billy bookcases. I was able to get more items on there as well. I thought about getting a bread container, but I'm so afraid that I'll forget it's in there and it'll get moldy. So I just want to leave that to where we can actually see what's there. Like I told y'all, the acrylic containers works so much better. At the top, I put some of our lunch bags in there along with some entertaining items that I don't use often because we don't entertain much. I love that these have the pull-out drawers and then some of them stack. And then I just stored some of the dry goods in these containers, some baking items, and I purchased those from Home Goods. A lot of the jars that you see either came from Amazon, Ross, or IKEA. These are some of the extra seasonings that I have. I do have a drawer in the kitchen that I have all of my seasonings in, and I wanted to put our vitamins in here as well. We remember to take them in the morning if they are in the kitchen. And all of the items that I purchased from Target, I really do love those, especially all of those stackable drawers. We use a lot of paper products because I hate washing dishes, so paper plates, plastic cups, plastic forks, those things are very convenient for us in this house. Okay everyone, that's going to be it for today's video. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Also make sure you subscribe if you have not already. As always, thank you so much for supporting my channel. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with a friend. And until next time, my friends, take care.
Someday soon, I'm gonna make it.